Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a customer of AT&T and are not receiving or have problems sending emails, especially from any Microsoft account and even some Gmail, a lot of people are reporting that Gmail is also affected. It apparently is a problem with a huge amount of spam that is happening on Microsoft servers, and they didn't talk about the Gmail or the Google Mail itself, but they did say that the high amount of spam, there's kind of a spam wave, as they called it, which is an abnormal amount of spam coming out of Microsoft servers in the last few days, makes delays in the email and sometimes error messages. So this is not you. Apparently, it's something happening with that. So we'll see what happens in the next few days. Things would, I guess, come back to normal at some point. It's interesting that Gmail seems to be affected too, though, and that they are not talking about Gmail at all. They're really focusing just on the Microsoft servers with emails having a lot of spam. So this is, of course, a huge problem, always been. We know that 95% of all emails going through are all spam. So imagine only 5% of emails are really good emails that people and enterprise are sending. So Google, actually, since April 1st, is starting with new rules for any senders that actually will send bulk emails. There are stricter rules now, and they're trying to mitigate as much as possible the sending of spam messages. And we know that the majority of them are, trying to lure you into having you do something to lose money, of course. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.